Our joint stock company for the production of pharmaceuticals in Volgograd has been producing pharmaceuticals for 20 years. We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I work at the company as a chief engineer for 10 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment, which meets GMP requirements and standards. A unit for dehydration of water solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. 5 months ago, the management of the company decided to expand the sales market and deliver its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. I was entrusted with the choice of a peltizer. I wanted to complete the task as quickly as possible so that I could work on another problem that unexpectedly arose in the pill powder production area. A breakdown of this equipment meant a shutdown of the entire site, which I could not allow to happen. When I started looking for a peltizer, and thought I would find the necessary equipment immediately. However, it was not so easy. First, I compared peltizer manufacturers in Europe and China. I did my search by the internet. I chose by location, delivery time, price category. Among the quality manufacturers in Europe, I found 3 companies who offered good machines, but asked for a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen peltizer, and would send me to search again, because of the high cost. Then I looked for equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of purchasing a peltizer on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet, I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China, 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. Of great importance in choosing a specialist was the length of time they had been working in the market for the supply of pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of the prices. First, I called a Chinese mediator. His price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery, and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I would be confident, who would supply me with a quality peltizer and would not delay the delivery of equipment. The last option of intermediaries I decided to check thoroughly. I checked the company in the Russian database of entrepreneurs for litigation for the period of activity, read the reviews of buyers of this company. In the list of companies under liquidation, the company was not listed, and I found only positive reviews. I checked the company's website, and I liked it. Modern, structured, lots of videos. After contacting the manager, I received a good advice on the desired equipment. The specialist offered me my requirements for dry granulation of powder, and sent me a detailed instruction by email, where I could study the possibilities and characteristics of the machine. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later we concluded a contract for the delivery of a dry powder granulator. The granulator was delivered within a month after the contract was signed, and we were able to quickly set up and start production of a drug for treating throat diseases. The equipment turned out to be qualitative and highly productive. Initial raw material is poured into a funnel placed in the upper part of the machine. The process is controlled by means of LCD system. The pellets were unloaded through the bottom hopper. I would like to mention that I told the manager about a problem with a machine breakdown in the adjacent area. He advised me of a good adjuster and repairer we were already working with, and were happy with the result. I realized that I made the right choice of a professional to supply the equipment. Real professionals pay attention to detail, and I was lucky to find such a person when choosing equipment.